This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Biobid Eye Drops are designed to combat bacterial infections in the eyes and ears. This prescription medication is effective for various age groups while ensuring safety and efficacy. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for managing bacterial infections in the eyes and ears, including conditions like corneal ulcers and inflammatory ear infections such as chronic suppurative otitis media and external otitis. It is especially useful against resistant strains of bacteria that typically do not respond to standard treatments. How it works. Biobid Eye Drops function by targeting bacterial DNA, preventing replication and repair, which effectively clears the infection. Directions for use. Always use this medication as directed by your physician. It is intended for external use only. Begin by washing your hands thoroughly, then instill a few drops into the affected eyes or ears. Avoid wearing contact lenses during treatment, and follow your doctor's prescribed dosage and treatment duration closely. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include ocular discomfort, redness, and a bad taste in the mouth. More serious side effects require immediate medical attention. Precautions and warnings. Use this medication with caution during pregnancy and breastfeeding, as safety data is limited. It is contraindicated in individuals allergic to ciprofloxacin or other quinolone antibiotics, and should not be used in children under 1 year without medical advice. Caution is also recommended for elderly patients. FAQs. 1. What is the use of Biobid Eye Drops? They are used to manage infections in the eyes and ears. 2. Can I use them while wearing contact lenses? Remove contact lenses before use and wait 15 minutes before reinserting. 3. What are common side effects? White deposits on the cornea, stinging, burning, and altered taste. 4. Can I stop using them when I feel better? No, complete the full course as prescribed. 5. What if I accidentally overdose? Rinse eyes with warm water and consult a doctor. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below.